Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Review Team Gaming channel. Just wanted you guys to see my new PC build. Well, it's not really new, it's 2 months old. I built it a while back. It's kind of the reason why I wasn't on YouTube uploading regularly, because I wanted to upgrade my computer. Like I told you guys before, I've been using my laptop. Well, I sold it so I can build this, as you see. So yeah, enough of me talking. I just want to show you what my computer can do. But before I get into all the good stuff, I just want to get to the specs of everything, so you guys can see what I'm working with here. So, going to the menus right here real quick. Apologize for going slow. I'm kind of working with one hand here. Alright, so as you can see, I'm only running 4 gigs of RAM as of right now. I'm going to be upgrading it soon. I just been spending my money on a lot of other things. I kept saying I'm gonna get to it, but 4 gigs of RAM right now is fine. I don't do heavy gaming, but I do have a heavy gaming graphics card. But I really don't do heavy gaming. I really just play DC Universe Online and PlanetSide 2, and it runs fine with 4 gigs of RAM. So it's fine for right now, but I'm definitely gonna be upgrading it. I have an AMD Athlon 2. AMD Athlon 2 X4. It's a quad-core processor. Standard clock is 3 gigahertz. If you overclock it, you get 3.5. I'm thinking about overclocking it. Still not sure. But let's move on. Let me get into the other specs here. Let's see. Alright, well, as you see, my performance is at 5.9, determined by the lowest subscore, and that's because of my hard drive. I have a 500 gigabyte hard drive. It's nothing really that special, but my specs, as you can see, everything clocks over in the 7, so my computer is pretty decent. My RAM is going to go up, the rating is going to go up once I put another stick of 4 gigs in there. I'm trying to have only 8 gigs of RAM. That's really all I need, and I'm pretty sure it's going to go up, so those numbers are good. My processor calculation per second, it's 7.3. Memory RAM, it's at 7.3. My graphics, 7.6. So the highest is 7.9. My graphics, 7.6. You have a general idea of how good my graphics card is. And now we're going to get into that, because I know you guys want to see what type of graphics card I'm running, and that's when we're going to get under the hood of this machine. Okay, so I have a lot of special features with my computer. Okay, as you can see, I have the glass panel. I'm a huge fan of interior decorating. That's why I got the glass panel. I have a lot of decorative features in here. As you can see, I got lights on my fan. Graphics card I'm running is the XFX Radeon 7770 with Thermal Ghost technology. It's pretty beast. Okay, I have an AMD motherboard. Everything in here is AMD chipset, so I don't really got to go into that. You see my processor was AMD, so you know everything else is AMD as far as the motherboard is concerned. So yeah, this is what the inside is looking like right now. Cable management could be better, but I'm going to get to it eventually. As you can see, that's my 1 stick of 4 gig RAM by PNY. I think I'm going to get another one. I like the gold plated, theme to it. So I'm going to get another one to put in there. And we're going to be all set. So now, here's the best part. I want you guys to see what my computer can do. I'm going to be playing the song. It's by my brother off of his mixtape called Cloaks and Daggers. I want you guys to download that. All my viewers, all my subscribers, please download it. Show your support. My brother put a lot of work into that mixtape. So please, if you're interested in this type of music, please give it a download. You won't be disappointed at all. Trust me. I wouldn't have you download anything that's not good. So I'm going to be playing called Leaders, featuring Cool Money. Like I said, it's a song off my brother's mixtape. I hope you guys enjoy the song, as well as what this song is going to make my computer do. Alright, check it out.
you intimidate. Prissy attitude, that's a bitch's trait. I'm about to take your head in a bullet and make them integrate. Show you how we mission state, one sentence and ditch your face. No concern for those who imitate in their indented state. Interior decorator, these bullets renovate. Breaking on impact and internally disintegrate. Hate is food too, my actions say I need a bigger plate. Yeah, you having a nightmare, you ate your dinner late. Thinking your vision that's an illusion, that's the agreed task. Go Sega Sonic with my moolah, you get your dreams cast. Yeah, we leaders, so in tune to what we are. Walking with it, cause those who let it inherit the ER. Money made hit niggas, picture a dream spar. Master of conveyance, I ain't playing with D-Mars. So when I think of fly balls, I see yours. Intelligence flying over their head, they see stars.
They ain't believe, but we turned them to believers. They say they blind, but we made them niggas see us. Now everywhere we go, these niggas wanna be us. We the leaders, we the leaders. They ain't believe, but we turned them to believers. They say they blind, but we made them niggas see us. Now everywhere we go, these niggas wanna be us. We the leaders, we the leaders. We on the front and I'm leading the way. Got niggas who owe me money and I need it today. Shit, just trying to keep my operation afloat. This shit is hard, nothing like operating a boat. You gotta watch for the snakes and all the niggas who rap. Before you thinking to yourself, how could a nigga do that? Because they talking to the cops, now they tapping your phone. Even your landline, niggas know what happened at home. I done seen too much movies where they rise to the top, then they fall, all it takes is a dime to get dropped. That's what your motherfucking man told them all your bitch. But loyalty's harder to find than what Waldo is. Ain't no love in these streets, man, this shit is a lie. Just get money, smoke your weed and blow your shit in the sky. Cause the hate is outstanding when you sit in a ride that a motherfucker couldn't even get if he tried. Cool. They ain't believe, but we turn them to believers. They say they blind, but we make them niggas see us. Now everywhere we go, these niggas wanna be us. We the leaders, we the leaders. They ain't believe, but we turn them to believers. They say they blind, but we make them niggas see us. Now everywhere we go, these niggas wanna be us. We the leaders, we the leaders.